Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 10th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we're going to begin our discussion on numbers. And I have a file opened up in my text editor here. It's called numbers1.php. On line number 6 I have the opening PHP tag. On line number 16 I have the closing PHP tag, and between the opening and closing tags I have some PHP code. And I've created two variables. The first one is called num1. I've given to it the value 25. The second one is called num2, and this one has the value 5. And then I have performed some arithmetic operations on these numbers. So I've added the two numbers using the addition operator or the plus symbol. I've subtracted the second number from the first one using the minus symbol. I have multiplied the two numbers using the asterisk symbol or the multiplication operator, divided the first number with the second number using the slash or the division operator. So the result should be 25 plus 5 should be 30, 25 minus 5 should be 20, 25 times 5 should be 125, and 25 divided by 5 should be 5. So the output of the file shows us 30, 20, 125 and 5. So we get the expected output. And then I have something called pre-increment operator on line number 13. And what this does is it first adds 1 to the number, and then it passes it to the echo statement to be displayed on screen. So the value that's originally there in the variable num1 is 25. So this operator is going to add 1 to it, make it 26, and then it's going to pass it to echo. So the way it's different from a post increment or a post decrement operation is that it's going to first make change to the variable, and then it's going to pass it to echo. If I would have used the post increment operator here, if I would have had the addition symbols here after the variable name, then it would have first displayed the value in the variable, the original value, which is 25, and then it would have made the change to the variable. It would have changed the value to 26, right? And this we can see in the next statement actually, where I've used the post decrement operator. So it's the new value of the variable num1 is 26, right, as we can see in the output. So this was the result of the division operation, and this is the result of the echo statement with the pre-increment operator, and it's 26, it's not 25, right? And we're using a post decrement operator here, so it's not going to first decrease the value of 26 to 25 and then display it. Instead, it's going to display the value 26 to us, and then on the next line I have another echo statement which is going to display the changed or the updated value of the variable num1. So here we should get 26 as the output, and here we should get 25, because 1 would be subtracted from the variable num1 after it has been displayed using the echo statement on line number 14, right? So when we check out the output, we see that we get 26 first, and then we see the updated value 25, right? So that's the difference between post and pre-increment or decrement operations. And in the next tutorial we're going to check out some numeric functions, and I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.